So Sterling Wilson का share is about 665 rupees and इसका 52-week range was about 253 and highest was 828. I think it was at 253 when the company was really struggling, and then Bani Bhai made an investment in it. So if you look at the market cap, that's about 15,000. The sector P is about 62. Prices to book is about 16. Doesn't matter much here. What does it say? National set to have doubled in value. Okay, whatever. And in 8 years, it has given a very sad return of about 8%. Although in 3 years, it was giving 87 and 2 years. So it had a run up at some point. Let's see. When did it had a run up? Okay, so there was a run up there, right? So if you can see between 2020, from 2020 to 2022, there was a run up, then it came down significantly, and since then it had another run up, and now it is at 665. मोटा मोटा इसका रेवेन्यू कितना है? रेवेन्यू कम हुआ है from 5,000 to 3,000 crore, and the net profit has also been negative, so it's been making losses because I think that there's quite this debt on equity. So quite a lot of debt that they had accrued, I think, which they have cleared now, or maybe they have reached some settlement. If I look at the shareholding, who owns this? So Reliance New Energy owns about 1/3 of this company. Shapurji Palanji is about 12%. So it has pretty good kind of, at least the names backing it. I mean, Shapur Palanji is a great name. Yeah, it's doing a little bad these days because I mean it has its debt problem, but I mean nevertheless it's a very reputable group. If I look at the FI, Goldman Sachs has invested and owns about 1% of this company, and about Nippon Life Trust Fund owns about 1.18%. And in the public, there are some people who own this, and that's pretty much it. So now let's look into what are analysts saying. How is this company expected to do? So if I look at Anand Rathi, he said in 29th August 2024 and gave a target price of 870. ठीक है, so 870 का price दिया इन्होंने, and let's look into the reasons why. So it says, first reason, it says that because Reliance Industries is expected to give it a very big account it is about to give it a very big EPC opportunity. So it's Anand Rathi is assuming that, of course, that this company will get that opportunity, which very likely it will. And then also, and it's basically the stake sale to Reliance, right? So they have domestic orders, they have new orders coming from Reliance Industry, and they also have a massive Nigerian order of $1.5 billion. So looking at all these, I mean, I think that's what the valuation suggested by Anand Rathi is, about 870, given that it has a pretty good backing of seasoned investor who are also probably will be giving it the business. If I look at the news of this, if there is any news, big news on that, other than the recommendation, there's a Nuvama also says that Nuvama also in April gave a target price of 850. Okay, and but that's pretty much it. And so it's a pretty interesting company, I would say, if you're looking into renewable energy, because this company is, I mean, although it's making losses, so the way we can look at it is, okay, so if they can probably turn around, so if I look at their revenue, it's about 3,000 revenue, right? So there is about 3,000 crore of revenue, and if you look at its market cap, that's about 15,000 crore, right? So it's about 5 times its market cap, which honestly is not cheap. But the renewable energy sector is so overpriced that even this looks quite reasonable. And given that it has a backing of some real industries behind it, like Reliance Industries, it makes it more attractive, at least to me. Again, I'm not sure. I probably will never buy it. This is not the sector that I invest in. But it's still, I mean, to me, it seems like a little overvalued, to be honest. Of course, everything is overvalued. Everything in the stock market is overvalued these days. But Sterling Wilson seems like an option with some potential. That's what I would think. But again, who knows? And please do your own research. I have no idea about this stock. I mean, I'm just analyzing it. I'm having a quick look at it. but that's pretty much it. And always remember that the policies can change, the market, renewable energy market can crash, anything can happen. So make it on your own, or at your own risk. Make these investments at your own risk, and that's pretty much it. All right, thank you.